Swipes is a heavy-duty, pre-moistened towel that cleans both hands and surfaces safely and effectively. Each towel is fortified not only with heavy-duty cleaners, but also the skin cleaning conditioning agents glycerin, jojoba, vitamin E and C, aloe vera, and wheat germ extract to protect skin from overdrying and irritation. And while swipes are gentle enough to use on your hands, they're tough enough to clean shop tools and equipment. No water? No problem. These extra large towels allow you to clean up right on the job site without water and eliminate the need for paper towels or shop rags. The formula cuts through soil such as grease, paints, tar, oils, lubricants, inks, and more. As you can see, swipes are easy to use and quickly clean up grease and motor oil while dissolving other solids. It's perfect for industrial plants, manufacturing facilities, DOT crews, and paving crews. It's so versatile. No wonder it's ProChem's top-selling product.